All right, we've checked in on the 2010 Brunello and Barolos before, but let's check in on Chianti Classico. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here in a new place to help you know more and drink better. Finally got most of the move done, although there's still quite a bit of boxes out there. But as part of the checking in on 2010 series, I wanted to check in on some Chianti Classico. Underrated overall, right? But underrated in terms of how the wines can age. This is in a nice little bag. Check this out. Nittardi. Nice work, folks. So let's unwrap this. I mean, I obviously know what it is. This is not a blind tasting. Sorry for the noise. There we go. Beautiful. So the Fattoria Nittardi 2010 Chianti Classico. This is a Riserva. I didn't realize that. This Riserva means it spent a little more time in oak and can generally go a little longer in terms of aging. But you know, this guy is a Doc G, right? So the smallest of any of the denomination of Origine Controllata Geographica, is it? I don't know. I'll probably put that in the notes there. But you know, like I've been saying, I've been encouraging you to drink some Chianti Classico. The quality just keeps getting better and better as the years move on. And what I think is a, sorry, cork. What a mess. And I'm teaching you, right? I think it often gets pushed aside, Chianti Classico, when you think of wines from Tuscany that can age. You know, we always talk about Brunello, and we really don't mention Chianti Classico, save maybe a couple of producers like Fontondi. But, you know, these things you shouldn't be in any rush to drink, especially ones from really good producers. Nittardi, I was lucky enough to go to a tasting way back when of these wines and really enjoyed this one. Really excited to pop it out for you guys today. Yeah, Riserva 2010. Oh, denominazione di origine controllata e garantita. I might have Geographica. I'm getting that confused with the IGT. This has been open for 24 hours, although I did put the cork in it last night. Haven't tasted it, haven't smelled it. Let's see what this tells us. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, quintessential Chianti, right? Or Sangiovese, if you will. Cherries, a little dust. Maybe some oregano. There's definitely an herb note in there. But this is, it's hard to describe. Like this wine is bright, right? This is not a dark. The wine might be dense, but it's not dark, and it's not dark and brooding. It's going to be bright, and there's going to be I can sense there's already going to be there's going to be nice acid in these cherries. Let's give it a taste. This wine is so good. Holy crap, holy. A Peter Wygant selection. Again, shopping the back label, Peter Wygant, another great importer. I mean, the cherries, the acid, the brightness, the tartness. Wow. So, you know, sometimes when you see Riserva on the label, which means that the wine spent more time in oak than a regular Chianti Classico, more time aging in the bottle. Sometimes that comes across, and you get a lot of vanilla. You get some of those, oaky notes. And this is just incredibly balanced and well done. Like you get just a wisp of oak, making a mess. This wine is so deliciously bright though, amazing. Incredibly youthful. So like this 2010, you know, another 10, 15 years on it. I have one bottle left upstairs. I'm not going to be in any rush to open it. Yeah, there's almost a floral note on the palate. The cherries, bright tart cherries, dust, flowers, really, really good. Okay. Don't sleep on Chianti Classico, people. Go find some. Okay, Nittardi. I doubt you're gonna be able to find this bottle, but Nittardi in good years, right? Find it, buy it, enjoy. Don't rush to drink your Chianti Classico, and just in general, drink more Chianti Classico. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Cheers.